Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 45 how to sign on into another account on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself called GRIDS. Make sure that we are signed on to the account. Click on your profile, which is on the navigation bar, and now where we have the upside down arrow, click on this where it says add an account. We are now ready to insert the credentials for the other account. That's the username, my password. Log in with Instagram, yes. And now, as you can see on screen, I am now in my second account. So if I go to my profile itself, click on the upside down arrow to see that we have two accounts running simultaneously at the same time. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.